Guys, welcome back to showing my bus collection. This is not really a bus collection because I have this too. I have this van that I got from sa kuya ko na cousin. Mahilig siya sa cars. Ito van to. Tell me pagka ito ay van. This is Tomica. This is the name. Ayan ang name mo. Nissan. Yeah. Tell me and this is a garbage truck. Nakuha ko sa KCC last time. Mag-akyat. Open to. Tapos ito naman ang ilalim. So, hindi lang ito lahat ng mga bus ko. Meron ako double decker na red na wala last time. I didn't had it for months. Yan kasi hindi ko ito napakita sa mga video mo. Kuha ko to yung yung before my birthday. Ito ang ilalim. London bus, Tomica. The year is 1977. This is the front. Reminders. This is the front. And this is the back. And look at the seats inside. That's the front. I saw a YouTuber had Tomica buses and then he put it like this. This is the back. And this is the front. The front. Reminders, this is the front. And this is my face. Ulit guys. Yeah, my eyes is straight. I wear glasses if I use my phone. Back to the buses. One thing, which is your favorite bus here?